I'm going to show you guys how to take in fork a repo repository and also take and do a pull request from a branch that was created that you create inside your fork request. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and take and do is click fork and just leave it whatever it is defaults are. And if there's more than one branch, you can go ahead and do it though, but just normally do the main one. Click create fork. After doing this, you want to go ahead and create a new branch. So in order to do that, you click the branch right here and go new branch. Name it dev test pull test, and it's gonna be of the forked one you have. So it's gonna be yours and main. I mean, you could actually do it from this one if you want to branch it from the original one. You can do that too, but use the main branch because that's going to be the most updated one. Create the branch. After you're done with that, go back into your repository. Click this from main to the test pull under there. Say we're going to change this the README file. So click the edit and just do pull request update. So just leave it. I just leave it as it is. You can change it since it's only test. Click save, commit it. So this is ours right now. So there's two contributors, me and the test account. So in order to take and do a pull request off of this, you need to go back to your main branch, the main. Click on this. Will say this actually have this. Might have this up here. You can do it from here or press. I would probably just take and click on the branches again, and this is the one we want to do. Create a pull request. We want to go ahead and have the base. It's going to be here. It's going to be main. It's going to be yours and your branch. So if you work all in the main, then you can go ahead and do it as main. That might be the easiest thing to go ahead and take and do as you're taking and doing this. You might want to do that, but I suggest not doing that. Make off branches off of it so you can pull this, do an update to this as the other one's updating, so your code stays updated, so you don't have any code conflicts. So just go ahead and do that, and go ahead right where you want to do here, and information about what is going to be added to it. So then just click pull request. It's going to correct the pull request, and as it shows here, this is the main one. So this is the main pull request, and you're going to see the one I went ahead and just took it dead. And this will go ahead and give you information. You can go ahead and take and update, assign it to a reviewer. Who is it signed to? What the label is, what is whatever it is. Then you can assign it to a project, or if there's any milestones, development. I can go ahead and take and sign that, but then as you can see, we have one commit and one file change in it. So under this, it tells you exactly what's been done, since it's the same file. You can look at here and do it this way also. It'll show the same thing. I think also that's what I was looking for. You also do it off of here also, and do it that way. If there's more than one change in the file stuff, it will show both of them on there. I hope this was a help for you to understand how to take and do it. It's actually pretty easy to do it. The way that we had it before, we don't have to do it. So